my concern is, obviously,
Sorry.
I think what you're doing is wonderful. I think it's great doing good. I'm on your side. What I'm saying is, no, it's not on the place.
These are the same group as the Anarchist Commons Federation.
Yeah, so, yeah.
I think it's a wonderful idea, right? I genuinely do. What I'm concerned
Well, not the same, but similar.
Themselves. Who's the people who are going to be looked at? It's certainly not going to be yourself. If something was to go wrong and somebody got hurt, who was going to be responsible for that? It's not going to be you. It's not. It'll be the police. I'll tell you now. It will. Sorry. If you bear with me 1 second, okay?
It's not going to. We're going to set out. We don't want to worry about this.
We're asking not to get clarification. We're asking nicely, will you not turn around till we get clarification? We're asking you not to, because we're getting clarification and so. We're trying to assist you, will you please assist us? Because as a no.
Last time, they sent us a form so we could do it, and they didn't send us the form, so...
We don't choose that up.
Well, we gave them an address to send it to, and they never sent it to. So... Well, he didn't give me his phone number or anything. So, what am I supposed to do? Alright. No. Well, it wasn't me that did it anyway.
So you didn't do it?
Yeah, last time.
Right. So,
It's not to be connected up.
Can I get your police number, please?
Yeah, certainly it's that.
Thanks. Yeah. I'm sure it'll work, it'll be good.
Yeah, we just need to...
Yeah, I promised to film them setting up and stuff. Hold on. It's probably